Today is Wednesday, February 9, 2022. Welcome to your daily weather for the great city of Omaha. Dress for cold. The temperature today should reach up to 48 degrees Fahrenheit and down to 34 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity is at 42%. You can expect no rain and no snow today. Some clouds. We've got strong wind at about 18 miles per hour. No weather alerts at the moment. And now for the news. Warning: some news stories can be disturbing or offensive. Stories are provided by various sources. In other Nebraska news, love them or hate them, folding phones are sticking around. They're bulky and fragile, they're expensive, they come in peculiar shapes. They may not run all the apps you want. And, of course, there's an annoying crease right in the middle of the screen. In other Nebraska news, fans checking out as Hoiberg's Huskers continue to flounder. Lincoln, Neb. For our next story, U.S. Army's first climate strategy calls for emissions cuts, base protections. Reuters. Washington, February 8. Reuters. The U.S. In our next story, states with the lowest unemployment rate in 2022. Nebraska state capitol landscape at sunrise. Nebraska is the state with the lowest unemployment rate, with an unemployment rate of 1.7% in December 2021, and an annual average of 2. In our next story, COVID-19 statistics. February 7, 2022. Lost Coast Outpost. Humboldt County Public Health reported today the death of a resident in their 60s due to COVID-19. For our next story, Mitch McConnell says he'll consider a ban on stock trading by lawmakers. We'll take a look at that kind of legislation and see what may be appropriate. Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell signaled on Tuesday that he may be open to banning members of Congress from trading individual stocks. In other Nebraska news, Bobbi Brown's 3 best makeup tips for a seriously vibrant complexion. Growing up, one of my most prized beauty possessions was a little tube of Bobbi Brown lip gloss. It was a rosy pink, Schlee. Ghtly sheer, and Osabami. That's it, Nebraska. Have a good one. To help support improvement of our show, please click subscribe. See description for sources. This content contains information from OpenWeather (TM API), which is made available here under the Open Database License (ODBL).